Just as a supplementary addition to the introduction, we're talking about scripting game engines with Python. So you can use Python to control and automate the Unreal game engine. And if you're not familiar with Unreal, a lot of popular games are created with the Unreal game engine. Tetris Effect, Yoshi's Crafted World, Final Fantasy VII Remake, Fortnite, Batman Arkham Knight, Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order, Borderlands, Kingdom of Hearts, Hellblade, Black Myth, Wukong. I mean, there's just dozens and dozens and dozens and dozens of popular games that have been created with the Unreal game engine. Okay, Unreal 4 game engine. I'm just scrolling through some of the games here a bit. So why Python? Because it's just such a versatile language. In recent years, Python has become the de facto language for production pipelines and interoperability between 3D applications, particularly in the media and entertainment industry. This is particularly due to the wide range of applications that support it. As the complexity of production pipelines continues to soar and the number of applications involved continues to grow, having a common scripting language makes it easier to create and maintain large-scale asset management systems. And just going through, scripting a basic Unreal project off of this website here. Okay, what about here's Python, and the Unreal Engine editor tools and scripting. In this case, a whole course here. So you can take your Python once you build a foundation and you've learned Python. You can take it, and if gaming is your thing and you want to build a game, you can use it in the Unreal Engine. You can use it in the Unity game engine. All right, so those are two major game engines that have produced major titles, and you can use your Python in these engines to automate and script things in those game engines.
A lot of these factors make it hard for the auto packaging, and when it has their own auto effects, trees and so forth. I'm going to go here, and let's go ahead and do the very first part of the level. So that's sort of the HM, or what would have been in 2. Now I'm going to go here to the trigger, and then now that is in 1. Okay, and I'm going to keep going, and so my slow computer catches up. Okay, so deactivate the trigger, and looks like here I'm going to get a banner message. Okay, and this is sort of the place I start on level 3, there's something with the adventure game, and I'm going to go here. And I'm just going to go to third person mode. So I'm going to go ahead and open up a console here, and get a free camera 1, and why not add some bots to make things more interesting. Add some bots in there as well. Okay. And so I'm going to person there, go here. And this is just sort of mover. I'm sure mechanism. Then there are things that aren't, you can see the collision damage you bond around the queue. They're affected by the inside of the real. And I'm not really